Breaking news, breaking news. This is Rod Gundybur with a live feed from the top of the 75-story Crap Corp building here in downtown, where Mr. Johnson's second grade class is about to release 100 doves in honor and memory of Ron Schnockel, who died in service to his country this week. He was a former graduate of the elementary school. We're about to go live to the feed in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Quiet, kids. Okay, kids, get ready. Let the doves go. What? Hey, wait a second. Those aren't doves. Those are turkeys. Don't you know turkeys can't fly? Oh my God! One just hit the car. They're all hitting the cars. Oh, it smashed me on recognition. Oh my God! It's horrible. The humanity, you idiots. Oh, I think it's over. Oh, that's horrible. Another tragedy unfolds in our town. It's so horrible. Well, this has been breaking news. Live tragedy in front of everyone. With Ron Gundybur signing off with breaking news.